Bienvenidos a Unidad 7. So, what would you like to do today? Would you like to learn about the word would? Great, because that's what we're talking about today. So, kind of dumb again, but I did this for you. I entertain you, the student. So the word would is the conditional tense. What would you do? I would do that. So we're going to talk about that today. But before we get going on that, let's do a little bit of review on page 341. And let's look at the preterite. Preterite, we did this all through Spanish too. But there's a lot to review on this because it's a lot to learn. I call these the ugly ones. Okay. There's some irregulars that are just irregular, not too bad. And there's some that are just plain ugly. They're tough because they change in both stem and they change in ending. Okay, and the ones on page 341 are ugly because they change in stem, like tener changes to tuv. And then the endings don't fit ER or AR endings. They're just endings for these ugly preterites. Okay, these irregulars. So the ugly ones are tener, estar, saber, poner, andar, poder, venir, and hacer. And so we change the stem to tuv, estuv, sup, pus, anduv, pud, vin, and is. And then they have those irregular endings, okay? So we would say tuve, tuviste, tuvo, tuvimos, tuvieron. Alright, some of the endings would fit on AR verb, some would fit on ER, IR verbs. But these irregulars have those irregular endings too. So you'll just have to review those and do an activity. It'd be really good if you did activity 6 on page 341 to review those preterites. Let's go to the conditional tense. You've already learned the future tense, and you remember that you just leave on your ending, and then you put on your you leave on your AR, ER, IR, and then you put on your ending. We're going to do the exact same thing with conditional, but we have a little different conjugation. So let's open your Spanish books up. A la página, vamos a abrir los libros a la página 352. Okay, and on la página 352 you will find the conditional tense. So you'll see again that you leave your endings on. For hablar, we leave hablar there. For ser, we leave ser. For ear, we leave ear. And then we're going to add on conditional endings. So hablaría, I would speak. Hablarías, you would speak. Hablaría, she would speak or he would speak. Hablaríamos, we would speak. And then hablarían, they would speak. That's all we do for that. For ser, to be. Sería, I would be. Serías, you would be. Alright, and so on and so forth. Not really hard. What about those pesky irregulars? Same irregulars as in the future. Okay, same endings as you just learned. Not a big deal. So you're going to do activity 11 on that page, and very good luck with that.